So here I've got this really cool extendable and modular snow shovel and brush and scraper combo right here. So thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. Comes with a pair of gloves, microfiber towel, bag as well. Really nice. So this is a modular kind of system here, so you can attach either the brush, the scraper, or the shovel onto this handle. And then this is extendable, so you can push this here, and then that will allow you to extend this. So just like that, you can extend it, different lengths. So it's easy to use. So if you're shoveling, you can adjust it to the height that you like, which is really nice. And then extendable, you can extend the brush out to reach high up or far away places, so that's really cool. Nice handle as well. And then you can take this apart as well by pressing the button here, and then you can pull it apart. So just like that, you can detach everything, and then you can detach it here as well, so that you can put it all away inside the bag, carry it with you in the car. So super convenient. So as you can see, it's really nice for brushing away the snow from your car. The long reach makes it really easy to reach everywhere. And then the snow shovel, as you can see, is super nice for shoveling snow from your driveway, your patio, etc. It's a good size scoop, so you can shovel the snow easily. And then the ice scraper you can use to scrape off snow and ice from your car, as you can see here. So yeah, overall super really cool combo. So if you're in need of one, be sure to check this out.